Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum salam.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Alhamdulillah.
I'm great.
Fine. Okay, we have to start the class. You are coming one after another. So we are in unit. Which unit?
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir,
We are-
কেমন আছেন?
Alhamdulillah. How are you?
I am fine sir.
Okay, good. We are dealing with unit 10.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum salam. Lesson 10, isn't it?
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum salam.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Please settle down. I think that you have the EFT book with you. So we're going to start our class today.
স্যার কেমন আছেন?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. How are you?
স্যার আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি।
Good. So we settle down.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum salam. You should mute your phone, microphone. Okay, you know the rules.
স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Okay, but I see that many of you don't have college number with you. You know the rules. You must write down the college number with your names. But most of you don't have your college number with your names. You know the rule. Do you know that?
Yes
if you want to
স্যার
join-
পাঁচটা কোশ্চেন
Yes.
এসডব্লিউ ছিল।
Yes, but
Yes
my
sir,
question is
পাঁচটা
that
কোশ্চেন SW
why
ছিল।
did you college numbers? তোমার কলেজ
পাচ্ছে
নাম্বার
না।
কোথায়? তোমার নামের সাথে কলেজ নাম্বার থাকবে। Where are you college numbers?
Yes sir, I have.
Okay, most of you don't have your
Sir.
college numbers. If you enter
আমি
into
স্যার
join
লিখছি
into
স্যার
my
নামের
class, okay,
পিছনে।
listen to me. You must put your
Sir.
college number with your names. Okay, next time on, you must set your college number, put your college number with your names. Okay. We were in lesson 10, B2,
Yes,
question
sir.
answer. I gave it as some kind of homework, that you prepare the questions answers and we will discuss. We will okay, don't talk, listen to me. Whenever I am asking you, then you can answer. Don't talk like this. If any problem, you can ask me, but don't talk. Listen to me. Listen to my
Sir?
instructions. Yes.
স্যার আপনি যে B2 কোশ্চেনের পাঁচটা কোশ্চেন দিছিলেন হোমওয়ার্ক, স্যার তার মধ্যে স্যার 4 নম্বর কোশ্চেনটা পাচ্ছি না।
Okay, we'll discuss now. So let's start. The students are coming one after another again. Till now, I again say to you that you must write your college number with your name. Okay, you must college number,
Okay, sir.
write your college number, set your college number with your name. It's must. It's mandatory. I think your class teacher informed you, isn't it? Say your concern
Okay,
about it.
Yes,
আমাদের
sir.
কলেজ নাম্বার
Okay,
গুলো
sir.
অবশ্যই লিখতে হবে। Whenever you are entering into any or joining into any class, you must write down your college number with your names. Okay, let's start the question answers. I think that you have prepared for positively, very effectively. You've done it, I think. B2, answer the question number 1. What are natural cures made of?
স্যার যে কোনো একজনকে জিজ্ঞেস করুন।
Who can answer? One answer me. Here,
স্যার
here.
natural are made of neem, turmeric, aloe vera, honey and tulsi.
Turmeric. Okay, answer is very much correct, but
Natural cure.
pronunciation is turmeric.
The natural cures are made of natural things, most often herbs and plants.
Good. This is also good answer. Both answer are correct. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
these are correct answer to this. What is the answer? Say again. Natural cures are made of.
The natural cures are made of neem, turmeric, aloe vera, honey and tulsi.
This is also correct answer. But another one.
Sir, the natural cures are made
Natural
of natural
foods.
things, most often herbs and plants.
Yes, exactly. Natural cures are made of natural things like herbs and plants.
আমি কলেজ
Most
স্যার এরপরেরটা আমি বলবো।
Okay, second one.
স্যার এরপরেরটা আমি বলি।
Bolo say, you say.
Sir. Yes, sir. Some
Aditya
ancient
Saha.
civilization.
Okay, tell.
Yes, sir.
Are herbal cures modern inventions? Aditya say.
Yes, sir. Herbal cures are not modern inventions.
Yes.
They are
Herbal cures are not
ancient
modern inventions. Explain your reasons. Why?
because they are ancient.
They are
Ancient.
they're ancient, or they have been going on from ancient time.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
they have been
that they are used in ancient civilization.
they have been going
Some
on.
of the
Sadiq Ahmed. Sadiq Ahmed, you are writing on the screen. Sadiq Ahmed. Who is Sadiq Ahmed?
Sir Nihal.
Nihal, you are doing
Sir
the thing.
Nihal.
I must report to you.
No, sir, আমি করি নাই।
Sadiq Ahmed, I got your name here.
No, sir, আমি করি নাই।
No, this on the screen, your name is exposed. You are doing the thing. I will complain to your class teacher and then principal sir, don't do this again, okay? If anybody
Sir,
tries
আমি
to
করি
write
নাই।
down anything, your name will be seen on the screen. I have done the system, you know. So don't try to do this again. Number two. Explain your reasons.
Sir.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Sir, sorry,
Uh,
sorry.
Some,
Okay, okay, you are forgiven, but don't do this
some
again,
of
okay? Don't do
yes,
this
sir,
again. Now
some of
I know I now forgive you, okay? Don't do this again. Nobody try to do this.
sir, তারপরটা হচ্ছে স্যার some of the treatment systems are still in
Explain your reason. So
practice
yeah, the
today.
reason is that the reason is that these cures have been going on from the ancient
আরে
times.
আমার এখানে ভুলে দাগ পড়ে গেছে।
Okay. It's a
Like
mistake, okay. I forgive you. Don't do this again.
Like
Don't
জ্বালাও
do
তোমরা।
this again. Okay, number 3 number. Who
তোমার
is
লাইটের জন্য এই যে
civilization?
আমার এইভাবে
Don't talk,
মোবাইল
please.
একটা প্রশ্ন উত্তর
Stop.
দেওয়ার জন্য।
Who is
Only the-
civilization?
So the Indian,
Hey,
Roman,
now-
Chinese, Greek, and
Which
European.
civilization
Can
are
I
known
see
for
these
herbal?
questions answer?
Yes, tell.
Sir, some ancient civilizations like India, China, Greece, Egypt, and Rome are known for herbal treatments.
Good answer. Very good. Well
Yes,
done.
sir.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, we cannot waste. No, don't repeat. We cannot waste much more time here. You know, we have many tasks to be done. Okay, we have to proceed on. Number 4 number. Who will say? What natural remedies are used for cold?
The natural remedy used for cold is eating the tulsi leaves with honey. Yes,
Okay.
I am familiar with another natural remedy used for cold, and it is taking lemon juice and honey mixed in lukewarm water.
Good. It's also good answer. Very
Sir.
good. You prepared it. You
স্যার
have done
এরপরেরটা
Sir,
আমি
sir,
বলবো
can I say another
done
answer?
it. Good. Okay, can tell us.
স্যার এরপরেরটা আমি বলবো স্যার
Okay, sir.
No, someone
Lemon,
else
আমি বলি
say.
স্যার।
No, don't
Lemon,
say like this.
lemon juice is good for for any cold because it contains vitamin C. Vitamin C increase our body
Vitamin C
resistance.
increases. Purpose single number. You should be increases. Right.
Yes, sir.
Number 5, what
Thank you,
herbal
sir.
cures are used for skin problems?
For
Sir,
skin problems, garlic, neem, or turmeric are used.
garlic, turmeric are
For
used to
skin problems, garlic, neem, or turmeric are used.
Turmeric are used. Turmeric. Yes. This is also a good answer. Okay. Move to the next one. These are the questions very important for you. You should prepare the answer minutely. You have done it. Okay. Successfully. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. Come to the next one. You know, we did it in the previous class up to D number. D1, working pairs. Come to D1. Open your book, you know, you have, I think you have already opened your book. So come to D1. Yeah, lesson number 10, D1. Working pairs is the following situations. We got the meaning of situation, isn't it? Situation meaning. Situation is a noun.
Poristiti.
Condition. Okay, similar meaning is condition or state. You can write down this. Condition or state, similar meaning. Situation is a noun. It's a noun. It means condition or state. So situation is a noun. And situations are plural form. So conditions or states. Situation is a noun. It means condition or state. Obostha, Bangla meaning obostha.
Sir,
এটা কি verb
It's a
verb
noun.
noun কি স্যার এটা?
Noun. I have written down the word. Right? Look at this. Noun is a noun. It means Bangla meaning obostha, English meaning condition or state. Obostha. Okay. Have you written down this? Okay, move to the next one. And then make short conversation. Convert for each situation. Conversation meaning it's a noun, you know. Conversation is a noun. It means
Sir,
dialogue.
dialogue.
Conversation. Yes, Bangla meaning Kotobokoton. Yes. English meaning is dialogue. Conversation is a noun. Dialogue is a noun. Conversations, plural form.
So discussion.
Discussion, actually discussion, not discussion. Discussion is a larger one,
Oh.
but conversation dialogue may be limited. You see only four pairs are here. Two pairs are here. So this is dialogue. Discussion is a large thing, vast thing, different thing. So the conversation and dialogue are similar, almost similar. For each
Sir, conversation
situation,
ki noun.
yes, I have written down this. You know, I talked about this. Conversation is a noun. You can, could, may, should, etc. where necessary. You can use this if you want to use in your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do
Sir,
at home.
software customers sir.
Sir, এগুলো কি লিখবো স্যার?
No,
D1
not
কি
now.
লিখবো?
Do at home. Then we'll discuss in later. Not now. It will take time. This is not that much necessary, but you will be prepared. This will make you prepared for making or efficient in making some dialogues like this. The above one. The given one in above. This one. Okay. Just you have to prepare some dialogues like this. One. You
Sir.
one. Yes.
স্যার software commerce দিছে স্যার আস্তে আস্তে দিছে স্যার
ঠিক আছে
না
তো
না
স্যার
স্যার
No.
ঠিকই আছে
I think
so, only
clear.
problem.
Everybody listen clearly.
স্যার ঠিক আছে
Okay. Thank you. Number
স্যার
one.
সব কিছু ঠিক আছে
You want your teeth to be strong. Strong means
powerful
powerful
strong is an adjective, you know. Adjective. Its meaning is firm.
powerful sir powerful
Firm. Stout.
কি স্যার স্যার কি একটা কালো দেখা যাচ্ছে
Firm or stout. Firm or stout.
স্যার দেখতে পাচ্ছি না
স্যার বোঝা যাচ্ছে না
Yes. Firm or stout. Firm. F-I-R-M. Firm or S-T-O-U-T. Stout. Adjective. Strong adjective. Firm adjective. Stout adjective. Strong. Also mighty, another similar meaning. Mighty. mighty. These three are similar to strong. Okay, you can use these words in different times as you need. Strong. Strong noun form is,
Yes, sir.
Strength.
noun form of strong is
Strength.
strength. Good. Very good answer. Aditya or Rakibul, who said this?
Aditya.
Aditya, good answer. Good endeavor. Well done. Huh? The strong, the noun form is strong. A noun form of strong is strength. Okay, strong is an
তো
adjective.
পাওয়ারফুল হয় না কেন?
Powerful also, okay, similar. I did not say that powerful will not be. Powerful also may be similar to this. Can be similar to this. Ask for a good toothpaste. Your partner will suggest or offer one like this. Pharmacist, Mr. Arman. Pharmacist, Mr. Arman, like this. Like the above one. Okay. Number D. Decide first what you want to buy and ask for it. You want to buy something and ask for it. Your partner does not have what you want, but he
Powerful
or she
adjective.
has something similar. Yes. Ask. Say again. Repeat.
Powerful adjective, na?
Powerful adjective. All these are adjectives. Strong, mighty, powerful. Each and every one adjective. Your partner does not have what you want, but he or she has something similar. Number 3. You have slightly cut your finger. You have cut your finger slightly. Little. You ask for something to put on it. Your partner suggests band.
স্যার স্লাইটলি মানে কি?
Little, tiny, slightly. Little. Bandiat. Number 4. Your mother has a headache. You ask for a medicine. Your partner gives you Vicks. So these are the situation. Consider it. Prepare your dialogues, and we will discuss or share it in later. Later we will discuss. Okay.
Headache meaning ki English hai?
মাথা ব্যথা না?
Headache, matha bata.
English hai.
Pain in the head. Pain in the head. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. The next to come to the next page again. Sorry. Is it? In number, people with a cold, fever, or flu often go to the doctor for help. But many people in our country also use home remedies for common illness. Read about some simple home remedies and answer the following questions. Okay, are you here? Akibul, listen Ahmed, Aditya Shah.
Yes, sir.
Are you here with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please.
The first one is cough. For children's cough, grandmas give two teaspoons of basil leaf tulsi juice with 1 spoon of honey. It works excellent. For children's cough, grandmas give.
ভ্যাসিল মানে কি?
Okay, I am telling this. Grandmas gave two teaspoon, cha chamoch of basil leaf. Basil leaf means two meaning. Tulsi pata or pudina pata. Basil leaf, pudina pata or tulsi pata. Tulsi juice or tulsi juice. Tulsi pata diye juice. Sadat, you are writing something. Sadat, don't do this. With 1 spoon of honey. With honey. It works excellent. Excellent means marvelous. Excellent is an adjective. Excellent is an adjective. That is the meaning. Excellent.
Marvelous, sir.
Marvelous, adjective. Very good, well done. Oil, these are similar to the excellent, marvelous, and adjective. These are adjective, marvelous. You got the meaning, I think, previously. You know, in one text. So excellent, marvelous,
Sir.
wonderful.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, superb হবে।
superb. Okay, superb also similar to this. All these are adjective. Excellent adjective is an adjective. Marvelous adjective. Wonderful adjective. These are similar to each other. So jot down these words. These are very much important, you know.
Sir,
And you will need the words in the previous lesson, you know. Previous lesson. They are coming.
Marvelous বলেন স্যার অন্যটা হবে না
What
স্যার
are
বইয়ের
what?
মধ্যে স্যার স্যার MARVELOUS
Okay, one is missing. Marvelous. Marvelous.
স্যার আর হবে স্যার MAR
MARVE. Marvelous or wonderful.
স্যার ডাবল এল এর জায়গায় স্যার শুধু একটা এল হবে তো স্যার
One L or second, two L given. Can be given. Marvelous. Okay.
স্যার,
Yes.
স্যার এক্সিলেন্টের সিনোনিম কি সুপারব হবে?
I say yes. Superb also is similar to excellent. Next one.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, someone still coming. Azman Safwan. They are still coming. So marvelous or wonderful, okay? Marvelous, the spelling marvelous is very much correct. In American spelling, you know who said this? Who raised the question? That it will be single one. Who raised the question? Please tell me. Marvelous. About marvelous spelling. The spelling of marvelous, one said that there should be one L. No, it can be one L according to American spelling. And British spelling,
Yes, sir.
there should be two. So you cannot tell this is wrong, okay? Be careful about this. Whenever teacher is writing something, don't be doubtful about this, okay?
স্যার
It's
স্টানার হয় না
excellent.
এরিয়াস
Some
স্যার
people take grape juice and honey too. Some people take grape juice and honey too. It also good for dry cough. If the cough is dry, then you can take grape juice and honey. Hot milk with honey is also useful in cough problems. Cough problems, if you have any cough problem, you can take hot milk with honey. You can take ginger tea, which is also useful. Ginger tea means ginger. Other cha is very familiar to us. So ginger tea, which is also a useful home. Useful means it's an adjective.
স্যার জিঞ্জারের ইংলিশ কি মানে সিনোনিম আছে কোনো মানে আলাদা একটা নাম
You are asking similar to noun. All nouns cannot be
কি বললেন
similar.
স্যার ইউজফুল
हाँ,
কিসে বললেন স্যার
ginger is effective. Useful means
স্যার
effective.
কাইন্ড অফ স্যার স্পাইস হবে
It's not similar. It's a kind of definition, not similar.
স্যার
Okay.
অব্লিগেট
Effective. Okay. Useful, effective. It's an adjective. Useful,
স্যার
adjective.
স্যার কোন পার্টস অফ স্পিচ এটা
Adjective, adjective. Useful is an adjective.
স্যার
Effective.
প্র্যাকটিক্যাল হয় না স্যার স্যার
No,
প্র্যাকটিক্যাল হয় না
not practical is not similar to here.
হ্যাঁ ইউজফুল
Effective. Useful home remedy for cough. Okay. Cold. Next one. Cold. Lemon juice is good for any cold. Lemon juice is good for any cold. You can take if you suffer from any kind of cold because it contains another important word. It's a verb, you know. Contain is a verb. What does it mean? Can anybody tell us?
স্যার কি
Contain. Contain is a verb. It means Bangla meaning dharon kora.
স্যার
Similar meaning
অপোজিট
bear. Bear. Contain. Contain is a verb. Similar meaning bear.
Yes,
It's a
sir.
verb. Both of
স্যার
these are
রিমেন্স হবে
no remains, not
স্যার
remains.
অমিট
No, never.
অপোজিট মিনিং অমিট
Opposite meaning omit or give away. Opposite meaning.
স্যার কার
Yes.
কার CURB
Car baka. CURB. No, contains. Yeah.
স্যার সিমিলার কি হোল্ড বা ক্যারি হবে না স্যার?
Hold on, carry also somewhat similar. Okay. You can use this words.
স্যার বিয়ার মানেও তো স্যার বহন করাই বুঝে তাই না?
Yes, contain বহন করা, bear বহন করা.
স্যার
and
হোল্ড
hold
স্যার হোল্ড হবে
similar. Hold also similar to this. Okay. Hold
কম্প্রাইজ
contains vitamin C. Vitamin C increases. Another important word, increase. Increase. It's a verb, you know. It's a verb. Similar meanings.
স্যার
Increase.
গ্রো
Increase.
গ্রো
Enhance.
রাইজ
Enhance. Increase similar to enhance. Enlarge, etc. So increase is similar to enhance, enlarge. বাড়ানো, বৃদ্ধি করা, increase.
increase কোন পার্ট অফ স্পিচ?
Increase here is a verb. Increase can be a noun. Increase can be a noun. Increase is here.
না
a verb. Increase is a verb here. It can be also a noun.
স্যার ইংলিশের বাংলা মিনিংটা কি?
বৃদ্ধি করা, increase বৃদ্ধি করা, বাড়ানো. It's a verb.
Sir, before shop
Similar
is
meanings are enhance, enlarge. There are also similar other words similar to this. You can write them this, but this is the common, very common one. Increases body resistance. Another important word. The root word is resist. Resistance means. Can anybody tell us resistance?
এটা বানানটা বলতে পারবেন?
It's a noun. N-O-U-N. Resistance.
হেল্প
No, resistance. Resistance means khame there. So similar meanings are
prevention. Prevent.
Resistant immunity. One meaning is immunity. Resistance
স্যার
prevention.
প্রিভেন্ট হবে।
Prevents somewhat near, but most correct one is immunity or defense. D-E-F-E-N-C.
স্যার অপোজিশন হবে স্যার? স্যার অপোজিশন হবে?
Opposition is one meaning you can use, but not here. Here, the most correct one or appropriate one is immunity, and another one is defense, resistance.
স্যার ইন্টারভেনশন হবে?
Yes. What?
ইন্টারভেনশন
Intervention, মধ্যস্থতা কিংবা no intervention. No, it's not appropriate one here. So resistance is similar to, I think immunity is better. Defense another one. Write down these words. Have you written down this? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
vitamin C increases body resistance. Body, it can increase your immunity system or immunity power. If you take a lot of vitamin C, lemon juice, hot water, and honey together work well in healing common cold. Healing, I gave the meaning in previous class. You know, heal means
ওষুধ করার ওষুধ না
cure. C-U-R-E, curing. Healing means curing. Is verb and ing, present participle. Healing, curing. Another important word here, heal means cure. Heal is a verb. Now healing also is a verb.
স্যার রিলিফ হবে?
Relief, okay, relief. Relief from pain. It's also correct. Okay. Common cold. Now toothache.
স্যার হিলিং এর বাংলা কি?
নিরাময় করা। হিলিং হচ্ছে নিরাময়। হিল নিরাময় করা, কিউর, C-U-R-E, কিউর। Healing, curing, common cold. Okay. Next one, toothache. In normal toothache. Normal means usual or simple. Normal means usual or simple. It's an adjective. Here normal means, it's an adjective here. Normal.
So normal মানেটা কি?
নরমাল মানে সাধারণ।
মানে
Normal
সিমিলারটা
is an
সিমিলার
adjective. Normal
সিমিলারটা কি?
adjective.
স্যার নরমালের সিমিলারটা কি? সিমিলার
Simple,
স্যার আমি এটা জিজ্ঞেস করছি।
usual.
জেনারেলি
Usual.
Usual.
Simple or usual. সাধারণ বোঝাচ্ছে কিনা? Normal also সাধারণ. Simple or usual. হ্যাঁ. General also correct. Okay. G-E-N-E-R-L, general. So simple, usual, general, normal. Common. Common, another similar one to this. Common. All these four are similar to normal. Normal is an adjective. Simple, usual, general, common. So common, cold, common egg, simple or usual or general egg, toothache. Keep a clove in your mouth. Clove means
লবঙ্গ।
Lobongo.
Lobongo,
Good.
sir.
Lobongo.
Lobongo.
Lobongo. Clove means lobongo. Good answer. Keep a clove in your mouth. Place it between the aching teeth. The teeth which are aching. You are getting pain on. Put the
স্যার একিং টিথ মানে কি স্যার, যে দাঁতগুলো স্যার ব্যথা করবে স্যার সেই
yes,
দাঁতের মাঝে?
the teeth. Yeah, the teeth on the teeth which you have pain. Painful teeth.
শাক মানে
Painful teeth.
স্যার
Okay.
একিং টিথে?
So place it or keep it.
স্যার শাক মানে কি?
I'm coming here. Please wait. Please place it or keep it between the in between aching teeth and suck on it. Suck on means similar meaning is intake.
Sir,
Intake. Similar means suck. Intake. It's a verb. Intake one meaning suck. Another meaning imbibe. Imbibe. Chushania. Another meaning is soak. So these three different meanings, almost similar to suck. Not 100% similar, but almost similar. Suck is similar to intake, can be replaced by intake, can be replaced by imbibe, also can be replaced by soak. These are almost similar to suck. Okay. Suck means chushania. Okay. So you can do this. So write down the words on your copy. Have you written down this?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot then.
Yes, sir.
On it, suck on it. You can even apply. Apply means put. Use. Apply, use clove oil on the affected tooth. Mahathir. Mahathir Mohammed. Yes, affected is an adjective. Affected. Which one? Clove. Clove is a noun. Apply is a verb. And affected is an adjective. Adjective. Affected. Attack. Afflicted. These are the similar to affected. Affected is an adjective. Similar are attacked or afflicted. Okay. So affected, attacked, or afflicted. Similar to this. Very important words for you. I think you should note down this. Jot down this on your copy. So affected teeth.
Invaded.
What?
Invaded.
Affected, attacked, or afflicted tooth. Okay. Write down this. Next one. Garlic also cures toothache. If you have toothache, you can use garlic. Garlic is effective one.
রসুন স্যার, রসুন।
Roshan, yes. We came to know about this in previous class, place a clove of garlic on the aching tooth and munch mildly. Munch mean munch.
স্যার দাঁতের মানে স্যার মুখ বন্ধ করে স্যার চাবানো, মানে স্যার
Chabano.
চিবানো।
Chabano. Munch মানে হচ্ছে চিবানো. It's a verb. Munch.
Sir, Sir, I have a question, sir.
CHEW. Chew. Or bite. Munch is a
sir,
verb.
I have a question, sir.
Munch is a verb. The
Sir.
similar meanings are chew. or
Sir,
bite.
munch. কোন parts of his speech?
Munch is a
Take it
verb.
away.
Munch is a verb. Chabano. So similar meanings are
Sir,
chew
I have
or
a
bite.
question, sir.
Chew or bite. You can write down the similar words. So, okay. Munch, chibano. Similar meanings are chew or bite.
Life Coca. Sorry, life Boca.
No.
My
Don't say like
না লাইফ খোকা বলছি। স্যার সবার মাইক্রোফোন মিউট করতে বলে।
স্যার আপনি সবাই মাইক মিউট করে দেন স্যার।
স্যার খোকা বোকা বলতেছে।
খোকা বোকা বলতেছে স্যার, সবাই সবাই বোকা বলতেছে।
স্যার নাবিল মনে হয়, নাবিল।
আপনি সবাই মিট করে দেন স্যার।
If you are a little bit responsible, then it's not a problem. তোমরা একটু দায়িত্বশীল হলে আমার মিট কেন করতে হবে? তোমরা you are in a class, you know. So I talking like this. You shouldn't talk. Then come to the next one. If you don't, usually you're very good students. You don't talk in my class. As in the previous class, you didn't talk any like this. So I think that you will be same to the previous class. You will not talk. You're very gentle and honest boys, very sincere boys. You are doing the class very sincerely. So don't talk, boys. Very good.
sir.
You're doing sincerely. Some one or two boys are trying to talk. So you can stop this doing for your betterment. You should not do this for your betterment. Okay? Don't talk. You're very good boys. You know, in my class, this school, you always very sincerely listen to me. And here also I found in my class, previous class, you're very sincere. Don't talk. Okay? So today also don't talk. Okay? Very good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, garlic also cures toothache. Place a clove of garlic on the aching tooth and mindly munch in chibano. Its juice will work as a relief. Relief means
স্যার
relief.
স্যার শান্তি মতো স্যার শান্তি এরকম
Relief means release. It's a noun. Noun here. Noun. So R it's a similar is
healing, sir.
release. Release. One meaning is relief. Another meaning is ease. Another meaning is comfort. These are similar to this. Okay. Relief is a noun. Similar are release, ease, or comfort. Release, ease, or comfort. Release is most nearest one. Nearest one is similar, somewhat similar, or comfort also similar. So you can write down these words. These words are very much important for you. Okay.
ওকে স্যার
Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Next, a pinch of pepper. Pinch means
Sir, egg chimney.
egg chimney. Don't ask similar to this, okay? I cannot give similar of egg chimney. Bangla meaning egg chimney. A pinch of pepper with powder, mara moricher gura mixed with common salt. Moricher gura egg chimney. One pinch. So similar was I've got a similar for you. It's like this jot, but not 100% similar. More nearest one jot. A pinch means jot can be used for this. So pinch means jot. Okay, write down the word. A pinch.
স্যার
It's a noun. It's a noun. Pinch is a noun. You see, pinch is followed preceded by an article. So normally nouns are preceded by an article. Nouনের সামনে একটা article বসে. So a is a noun. Pinch is a noun. A is an article. Pinch is a noun. Jot is a noun. Pinch is a noun. Jot is a noun. Pinch of paper powder mixed with common salt works well on the aching tooth. Again, if you have any aching tooth, this will work as really. It is specially another important word. You will find the word now and then very much important. What is the meaning? It's an adverb. Specially adverb. Particularly. Specially, particularly is an adverb. Specially, particularly. Okay,
Sir,
write down this.
এটা কি
Yes.
অর্ডিনারি হবে?
No, specially not ordinary. Special but exceptional. Particularly, not no. So especially means particularly is an adverb. Write down the meaning. Very important word for you. Effective. I gave the meaning previously. You know, effective means useful. Against the increased sensitiveness. Increased means. I also gave the meaning. Increased means increase. Can anybody tell increased meaning?
Sir, enhance.
Enhance, good, very good. Increased means enhanced. It's an adjective. Increased is here adjective. So similar meaning is enhanced. Sensitiveness of the tooth.
স্যার আগের বার তো আপনি ইনক্রিজ ভার্ব দিস